Subtraction of decimals. Vaughn is fond of coloring. One day Mom gave him a strip of 10 squares. She told him to color 4 squares out of 10. Mom, I completed coloring 4 out of 10 squares. Tell me the decimal number for the colored part. Mom, I colored 0.4 part of the strip. Now can you tell me what part of the strip is not colored? Sorry, Mom. I don't know how to do subtraction of decimals. Don't worry, Vaughn. It is simple. Let me explain. The strip is divided into 10 equal parts. 4 portions of the strip is shaded. Take the whole strip as 1. Shaded part of the strip is equal to 0.4. Let us find out the unshaded part. 1 minus 0.4 is equal to 0.6. Rules for subtraction of decimals. Subtraction of decimal numbers is just like subtraction of whole numbers. Place the decimal points one below the other, both for the numbers and the answer. To subtract unlike decimals, add zeros at the end as required to make them like decimals. Subtract 59.752 minus 3.84. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Thus, the answer is 55.912. Let us see one more example. Subtract 4.58 from 6. 6 can be written 6.00. Adding zeros after the decimal place does not change its value. Ten minus 8 is equal to 2. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Thus, the answer is 1.42. Let us recall. Subtraction of decimal numbers is just like subtraction of whole numbers. Place the decimal points one below the other, both for the numbers and the answer. To subtract unlike decimals, add zeros at the end as required to make them like decimals.